So tonight we decided to go to a Mexican restaurant called Bone something?
Cantina, something like that.
I don't know. We took like videos of it all for you guys to see and showed you guys around, and I like took a video of the menu for you guys, and on the menu it tells you where we went. I can't remember the name.
Yeah, I don't remember either.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, me too. I ate way too much food.
Yeah, we're like in food comas right now. So we're tired, and it's like 6 o'clock at night, which is almost our bedtime. So we're exhausted. But overall, I would say the atmosphere was pretty good. The people there were nice.
Super nice people.
Food
was pretty good.
Food was pretty good. Drinks were okay. We got a barrel, which was the special of the week, and we'll show you guys at the end of this like intro. We'll show you guys a video of like all of that, and that was so bad. Do not ever get the barrel unless you just really like the taste of alcohol, which we don't.
Vermouth, not our favorite.
I still feel it in my throat. I feel like
probably
like it's so bad. But overall, like every time I like breathe in, I feel like I taste it, literally. But overall, it was pretty good. Pretty fairly priced for the food and the experience that you get. But it was a very, what is it? Dia de los Muertos. Dia de los
Muertos, Day of the Dead.
I feel like whenever I learned it in high school, we never put the in it. So I feel like that's why I keep getting confused, because I always learned it as Dia los Muertos.
It's Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos.
Day of the Dead.
Yeah.
Not the dead day.
The dead day.
No,
the dead day.
Day of the Dead. Dia de los Muertos.
That's just that trying high school education. But anyways, for that, it was really cool, very neat, and very different from other Mexican restaurants that I've ever been to.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it was pretty good.
It was good.
Overall.
Might go back again.
It was very close to our apartment, so that was convenient.
Right next to Topgolf.
And yeah, if only we could go to Topgolf. But yeah, very convenient. No traffic really to get there. It was a little bit crazy coming back home because of people, but still not too bad. Probably like a 5-minute drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, so now we're back home and we're about to watch the newest episode of The Mandalorian.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
All right.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. There's so many kilos. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah, I'll try it. Are you going to video me tasting it?
Let's see your reaction.
It's not bad, but it is strong.
Yeah, really strong.
Yeah.
At least for me. My food and time.